and every makeup that I do, I'm using this contour stick. It's that good. I'm gonna show you how I use my OG contour sticks. These are my favorite set. This is the Ultimate Color collection. It comes with your contour, highlight, and blush, and 3 lip oils. And these lip oils are not anything you've ever used before, so we'll show you those in a minute. So I've already used my foundation stick. This is in the color Linden. It's not part of that collection, but I do have that as well. And then my favorite contour is the copper. I do have Obsidian as well, but this is the one I go to the most. All these have magnetic tops. They're just so easy to use. And look how creamy and smooth that is. But not only are they creamy and smooth, but they are long lasting. So they're not gonna slip around your face at all. Here. This is the blender brush, but you can use any brush. Now look how quickly and beautifully that just blended in. This is your go-to easy makeup using like 5 products. Perfect for travel. And you want to get up in this little bone right here. Make sure you bring your contour up there. It really chisels out that jaw. Look at that beautiful, beautiful color. So this was the copper. It is my absolute favorite. Pink Diamond is my favorite blush. It's kind of a pinky mauve, I would say, but it works for any time of year. Like, it's beautiful with just a clean face in the summertime, but it just brightens and gives me the color I need for the winter. Again, I'm just using the regular blender brush, and look how creamy and beautiful that is. I love this color. And the kit comes with Moonstone. I wish you could see, it's like an iridescent, little bit of purple. It's so pretty. Let me see if I can show you. Look at that. Look at that. That is beautiful. And because they're a cream product, I don't have to worry about having a dry look. I'm 53 years old, so this keeps my skin radiant. It gives me extra hydration. It just really is quite beautiful on. These are a lip oil, but they're a solid lip oil. And they go on so smooth. You can use them as a liner and fill them in. They have a little bit of that peppermint smell that you're used to for a lip oil. And you can screw them up and back down again. Beautiful, easy to put in your purse. This is the Nolana. I think it's gorgeous. Let's try the Rosalina. That looks really pretty. And then Begonia. Let's try that. That's pretty too. It's called the Ultimate Color Collection, and it comes with all these colors. It does not come with the sculpted contour foundation or my brush, but you can pick those up on the side. I do have a discount code and a link in my bio, but I mean, I did a 5-minute makeup with 4 different products, and look how glowy I am.